Today is maple syrup day. I hope you're excited. We got a good one for you. How many more times am I gonna touch the camera?
A lot. How much money you got? A lot. I'm just kidding.
No, I'm broke.
Oh, poor mother.
So growing up as a family, my parents and I would always go to maple syrup at our local nature park. And so I thought I would extend that tradition, and Courtney, I will go. Yeah. She doesn't really know what to expect.
No.
There's a lot of fun if you're into maple syrup, or if you just want maple syrup and pancakes. So.
Shut up! Trying to make a video here. Oh.
All right.
Freaking party animals.
She's not really sure what to expect, and I really haven't given her much details. So.
I just know there's gonna be syrup.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah. So let's go on this adventure and pass on the tradition with you. Let's go.
Shut up! I'm going. Does cat like syrup?
I don't know. We're not taking the cat. Put the cat down. Put the cat. There we go. I'm not really sure if they will have pancakes this year because of COVID, but if not, we'll like go home and cook some. This is different from last year.
We can't do the pancake breakfast because of COVID.
How about we take a little stroll? Can we take a little stroll?
Yeah. I would advise not. It's probably frozen.
What if other people do this?
All right, go ahead. Come on.
I taste nothing. I think I got a syrup slushy. This tastes like weird ice. It's like sparkling. It's pretty. They're all the same.
This is how they cook this up. We definitely thought there was gonna be pancakes.
Boo!
Sorry. Due to COVID, yay. We're on a scavenger hunt pretty much. Yeah.
A scavenger hunt? That's what it is?
I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's kiss.
How's that coming?
Yeah. That's all I got.
So in the summer, I typically will kayak from here and go that way for like 8 miles. Just depends. And this year, Courtney's gonna go with me. Oh, I thought you were about to fall.
Going up here, there's a picture of a fox.
Yep.
There's a boulder. That is a nice boulder.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
Do you see me?
Yes. Oh. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Get the hell out of your mouth. You get mad at me. Come here. Give me this.
Hi.
Hi. We're leaving. Bye, buddy. Oh, bye, your dad. So, yeah, that was maple syrup day. I'm sorry. This tradition's not the same as the previous ones. Yeah, but next year they said they'll have some. So, with hopefully if restrictions lift, but we'll see. I still want some pancakes, and I still want some syrup. So we're gonna go back to where we started. All right, back where I started. I guess that's what I have to do.
Good old classic syrup.
Yeah. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.